to explore the world of automotive technology? Rev up your future in our Automotive Technology Program, where you'll learn to diagnose, service, and repair vehicles. Gain hands-on training with real vehicles, expert instruction in diagnostics and repairs, and experience with everything from brakes to engines. From basic maintenance to advanced repairs, you'll learn it all. Plus, our partnership with Ford means you get real dealership experience while still in school. Start your CTE journey at Porter Early College High School. Your future in automotive technology begins here.